see you without my spectacles. So welcome back to Cooking with Nonnina. You know, as we get older, our eyes get weaker. But the hair just grows everywhere. Although Nonnina covers it up well, huh? You know, even my garden's getting bushy. I gotta trim my plants. So last week we did this amazing dish and we used the hearts of palm linguine from Trader Joe's. And I loved it. So I wanted to do another dish with it. So I went back to Trader Joe's today. And, you know, everyone has their eyes on Nonnina when I walk in. You know, you can't blame them. But, you know, it makes me all blush. So what I realized is that you guys loved it too because they were out of stock. And, you know, it's 2020, so you just got to roll with it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use the cauliflower spaghetti. And it's going to be a little more calories, but still healthy. And, you know, you don't want to get too skinny anyways. You want to leave a little cushion for the pushing. You know, the shopping cart. So today what we're going to do is a shrimp scampi with the roasted Parmesan tomato. And it's going to be fabulous. So now we'll go over the ingredients. You need 10 ounces of cauliflower spaghetti. So we need 1 pound of shrimp. And you want to peel them. So one of Nonnina's pet peeves is they go to a restaurant and get this nice shrimp dish over pasta. And they leave the shell on the shrimp. What am I supposed to do? Put my hands into my dish? Am I supposed to peel it off and just like fling it at people? So, you know, we pre-peel it as a chef. That's what I do. I recommend you do it too. So what are we going to start doing at Thanksgiving? Pass around the turkey and everyone sticks their hand in and they get out the stuffing? You know, I'm not a prude, but you know, we got to keep some class. So, peel the shrimp, 1 pound, and I'll peel this last one. And now, the rest of the ingredients. I need 1 tablespoon of butter, and a lot of shrimp scampi dishes, they like to do a lot more butter, but we're gonna keep this healthy today. We need 1 finely chopped shallot. We need 4 cloves of garlic. You wanna freshly mince that, not something out of a jar. You can taste the difference. And you know us Italian, we love our garlic. It makes our breasts strong, but you won't see us in Twilight getting bitten by the vampires. So we need half a lemon. We're gonna freshly squeeze that. We need 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. We need 1/4 cup of chicken stock. We need 1/4 cup of white wine. I chose the Francis Coppola, the buttery Chardonnay. And we need some fresh parsley. I got a new plant. And salt and pepper. I love the pink Himalayan salt. And so now we're ready to start our dish. So leading off is our cauliflower spaghetti. And you know, if you're making this dish for your partner, and you don't just want to get the first base, follow along and make it a home run with Nonnina. And so the first batter up will be putting the spaghetti into the boiling water and get it nice and soft for our shrimp scampi dish. So, real Italians will put the spaghetti in full. We don't break it in half. And this is all gluten-free. So now that we got the spaghetti cooking, we're going to put our butter into the pan and stir your butter around. Ooh, butter can be fun for other things other than cooking. Nonnina likes it a little slippery. Alright, we'll get our shallots in and our garlic. We'll lower the heat a little and I'll mix that all around. Oh, that's so nice. I always love the smell of the garlic and the shallots. So this is starting to brown now, so we're going to add our shrimp. And Nonnina, she likes the large shrimp. These aren't jumbo. I wish they were a little bigger, but at least they're not the mini shrimp. Nonnina doesn't deal with the mini shrimp. And so we'll add this in. And we'll mix it all around. So we've been cooking the shrimp for a few minutes, and it's almost ready. You know that flamingos are pink from eating so much shrimp? Kinda explains Why Nonnina the way she is with eating all those Italian sausages. Oh, so anyways, we're gonna add the pink Himalayan salt. This is nice and healthy for you. And the black pepper. And 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Spread it all out. Ooh, this is going to be a little spicy. Just like Nonnina. And I'll give it a little stir. And we can dance while we do it. Have fun. So we got this fully cooked, and now we can add our chicken stock. That's a nice. And then we'll add our white wine, 1/4 cup. That's nice. And always taste your wine. Delicious. It doesn't help with the cooking, but it makes it more fun. And we'll squeeze our lemon, half a lemon. I got my lemon squeezer. I've been working the forearms. And that's the lemon. Don't need that. And now we'll give this a stir. And then I'm going to check my spaghetti. So we're going to turn this to a low heat and let it simmer until our dish is ready. So now we're going to strain the pasta. It's all nice and soft. Nonnina tested it. And after that we'll start our side dish. I got that all drained. And now we'll start our side dish, the roasted Parmesan tomato. So now I'll go over the ingredients to make the side dish. We need 3 tomatoes. We need 1½ teaspoons of fresh dill. We need 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan. Usually I like to do the long strokes, but for this dish I use the finely grated side. We do 3 tablespoons of olive oil, from Italy of course. The salt and the pepper. So now I'll start by slicing up this tomato. And you want to put your tip in first. Just like that. In nice thick strokes. Keep them thick like Nonnina. We'll cut this up. Tips in. That's a nice. And one more sliver. Yep. Perfect. And we don't need this in. So we're going to drizzle the olive oil over the tomatoes. Get it all around. That's a nice. And a little more. Perfect. And now we'll take our salt and our pepper. And the dill, we'll spread that all around. Perfect. And we'll take our Parmesan and we'll put that on top. Make sure everyone gets a little. We don't want the tomatoes to be sad. And we want to use it all up. We don't want to waste it. Perfect. And we're going to put this in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. I'll go do that right now. So everything is ready. I put the spaghetti on the plate, and I'll take a spoon, and I'm going to drizzle some of the scampi sauce all over the spaghetti. Oh, it's gonna be so tasty. Get nice and saucy. And now we'll add some shrimp. And you want to make it look nice. Make this your masterpiece. Oh, that's nice. One more. And now we'll add 2 tomatoes to the plate. And lastly, we'll grate some fresh Parmesan right on top. So nice. And the dish is ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you had fun, give me that big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to get more videos in your feed, ding the little bell. And if you make any positive comments, I'll be happy to respond. And remember, if Nonnina can do it, anyone can do it. Buon appetito. Ciao!